Hello everyone, my name is Glimson Giddi and my register number is URK20CH2099, and for today we are going to take computer networks lab, and we are going to do our exercise number 1, basics network troubleshooting commands, for which we need to open our command prompt. It's here command prompt. Directly you can search, or you can do cmd and enter. For this, if you get something like Microsoft Windows version and Microsoft Corporation, alright, if you want to clear this, just type in cls and press enter. It will be clear. So now for our uh, first first command, it is ipconfig. If you press enter, it will display your IP networks and configuration value, and also refers dynamic host and configuration portals. And ipconfig also display the IP addresses and subnetwork mask and default gateway for the adapters. Here you can see which IP address is there. IP address and IP address 6, which is in currently it is in testing mode, but IP address 4 is now for uh, it's running. And here you can see subnetwork mask and default gateway is also given. And for our second command is ping. Yeah, ping. If you press enter, you will see uh, ping. Basically, ping is a computer network administrated utility used to test and rechargeability of a host on a internet portal. Basically, ping, what it does, uh, it checks all the host network internet portals like Google or whatever application you are using. And for our uh, sorry third command is trace route, for which you need to write TRAC and RT, trace route. Sorry for spelling is wrong, so we need to write TRACE then RT, trace route. So here it shows the trace route. Trace route is computer network dialog tools for displaying the route and measuring the trace delay of a packet across the internet portal network. And next is our NS lookup. So NS then look up. It shows our NS lookup is a command line which basically display the network connections, both incoming and outgoing. routing tables, and it also displays numbers of network interface statics. Our address, this one is our address, and default server is unknown. And if we write uh, if we write our www.google.com, it shows google.com server unknown, but its IP address is this one, and sorry, this one is our IP address, and this one is the Google's IP address. For exit, you can press Ctrl Z and press enter. Ctrl Z will take you outside of this command ns lookup. For our next is our uh, path ping, which is pathping, path ping space www.google.com, path ping. Tracing path ping, basically it is a it design environment, like it will trace all the uh, all the micro routes, routers which is coming to access your Google. This it will take some time, but no need to worry. Takes 25 seconds. Now it has been started, so it shows here. It shows only one path ping. One path ping is shown. That's nice. Uh, our our network is strong, it means. So our next our command is net user. Net user will tell you the who is the administrator account name, and it also consists of guest. It will shows how many of uh, account is been using our laptop, this particular IP address. So this is one, and next is who am I. It will shows only the user, sorry, administrator account. And for next is our netstat, netstat. Oh my god. Netstat is basically print network connection, and it is the routing table and also the interface statics and multiple cast membership. It's still printing. You can see all the history, closed wait, established, closed wait, all the network which I have visited, and all the network which I am connected with. It shows everything. So now net stat is also done. For our next command, we are going to use uh, arp space minus a, press enter. This will show our internet address. Here is internet address and physical address, and it shows its type. It's a dynamic type and static type, and that's all for our today's session. That's all. Thank you for listening. And my before going, I want to tell my registered name again: URK20CS 2099. Thank you.